In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Thursday small in Canva Superscript. If you've ever typed something like 10th and wanted that to sit a little higher and smaller, that's called Superscript. It's a simple formatting tweak that makes dates, rankings, and references look polished and professional. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening your design in Canva. This can be any project where you've got text. Maybe a social post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. Once your design is open, click to add a text box. You can use the text option in the toolbar or select an existing text box if you've already got one on the page. Type your text just as you normally would. For example, go ahead and type tenths. Now, the key to getting just the letters you want to change is to highlight them first. Click and drag over the letters you want to make small in this case. Highlight the cell. You should see the text editing toolbar appear at the top once the letters are selected. Up in that top toolbar, look for the advanced formatting icon. It's often represented by a double arrow next to a big T, and it opens more detailed text options. Click that, and then choose More Settings. This takes you to the expanded formatting panel where you get finer control over text appearance. Under the formatting area, find the text position options. Here is where you'll select Superscript. Visually, this is usually indicated by an icon that looks like a small 2 or a character with a small raised A. When you click Superscript, the highlighted will lift slightly above the baseline and become smaller, matching that classic typographic style you see in professionally formatted text. If the change doesn't appear right away, double-check that only the letters you want are highlighted and that you are still in text editing mode. Also, keep an eye on your font and size. Superscript respects your current style, so the exact look can vary by font. If your design is zoomed in or out, remember that the toolbar icons might wrap or shift. So scrolling or expanding the options can help you spot the right controls. That's it. Thanks for watching.